Hello, hello. Hello, good afternoon.
Watch and muthala kya di. Dabajasi sanglaina bajiro. Hello. 너희 까지 TV기나.
TV기나 되네.
아. 유튜브. 당마이 좀 가지 그래 당마이 좀 가지 본 잉크리브라 썩크리브라 뭐야 혼내 망그리고
빠야라 빠야라 mathakti am anam mai mathakti am ngai nam jar mane
사람 나가는 게 아니라 나도 싶어 와라 나무 있거나 뭐 좀. 나무 나무. 저놈이 이거 지금 이 그거 이 골라 봐.
ये लो असल cái đôi mông không buồn những là cái đôi buồn lại đâu buồn lại đâu anh không nào không muốn bây giờ anh làm thôi đi thì là thôi được một
나요. 여기도 나이도 사후로 당오더라고요. 나 사후로 당오더라고요. 나 사후로 당오더라고요. 나 과도 모르고 그러고. 그럼 내가 오늘 와 아래니. 아니 나 근데 개는 거기서 빼는 거냐. 다른 거 본다. 이것도 이거 해놓고. 이것도 이거 해놓고.我这个还啥子他妈整没整过。
เขาคุมันฟ้องอยู่เลยก็ต้องดู
Me. Hello. Hello.
It's what is here.
Really, can't tell you. Look at it.
Prima.
ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯑꯣꯟꯊꯣꯔꯛꯑꯒꯦ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯄꯤꯔꯣꯏ ꯑꯗꯨꯗꯤ ꯑꯩ ꯀꯩꯅꯣ ꯇꯧꯊꯣꯔꯒ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯍꯣꯔꯦꯟꯁꯨ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯦꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯊꯦꯡꯅ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂꯛꯀꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯝ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯁꯨ ꯌꯥꯅꯕꯅ ꯍꯣꯏ ꯊꯥꯖꯤꯜꯂ ꯊꯝꯃꯝꯃꯒꯦ ꯑꯩꯅ
Hello. A very good afternoon. Namaste and Khurub Jai, ladies and gentlemen. Esteemed guests, respected officials, coaches, managers, and most importantly, our talented athletes. I, Dr. Debla Chanu, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Psychology, National Sports University, welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2024, organized by the National Sports University, Manipur, under the aegis of the Association of Indian Universities. It has been an exhilarating journey which is filled with passion, teamwork, and remarkable displays of talents on the field. Over the past few days, we have witnessed some truly inspiring matches from the 1st to the 5th of November in various grounds here in Khuman Lampak as well as at Sai Takyal. The spirit of sportsmanship and camaraderie displayed by all the teams has been commendable. Each player has not only showcased their skills, but has also contributed to the growth of women's football in this region. Ladies and gentlemen, we are honored to have with us several esteemed personalities who have made significant contributions in their respective fields and particularly in the development of sports. I would like to take a moment to acknowledge their presence. Please join me in welcoming the chief guest of today's program, Shri Namoijam Kedavarta Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur. A huge round of applause. And to do the honors of welcoming, sir, may I invite Dr. N. Amitra Sen Singh, the Extramural Director, National Sports University, as well as the organizing secretary of the tournament, to felicitate, sir. A warm welcome to National Sports University, Manipur. Thank you, sir. Moving forward, to felicitate the president of today's evening, the Vice Chancellor officiating of National Sports University, Professor Usha S. Nair, Madam, may I invite on stage Dr. S. Premanand Singh, Joint Organizing Secretary of the tournament. A hearty welcome to Madam for gracing today's program. Thank you, madam. Thank you, sir. To welcome the guest of honor of today's program, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, the Registrar of National Sports University, may I invite on stage Dr. Karen Harish Tiwari, Assistant Professor, Department of Exercise Physiology and Nutrition. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, madam. We are also joined by many eminent personalities on the stage. To welcome the first special guest, Madam L. Anita Devi, Dhyanchan Awardee, may I welcome on stage Mr. K. Ravi Shankar Singh, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching. I welcome you, madam, for your presence. Next, gracing the stage amongst us, we have an eminent personality and a sports star which Manipur is proud of. Ms. Ngangom Baladevi, captain of the Indian national women football team. Ladies and gentlemen, may I invite on stage Mr. Biondi Meitei to kindly felicitate Madam. The National Sports University extends a hearty and warm welcome to you, Madam. Thank you, Madam. Thank you, sir. Moving ahead, please join me in welcoming Professor Sambhu Prasad, AIU Observer from Rajiv Gandhi University, Arunachal Pradesh. And to felicitate, sir, may I invite on stage Mr. M. Rakesh Sundar, sir, Assistant Professor, Department of Sports Coaching. The National Sports University extends a warm welcome to you, sir. Moving ahead, please join me in welcoming Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University. And to do the honors, may I invite on stage Dr. Thumchui Chan Raman. Thank you, sir, for your gracious presence. Last but not the least, please join me in welcoming Thangjam Ibotombi Singh, sir, Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association. And to do the honors, may I invite on stage Dr. Kuldeep Singh. I once again, on behalf of the organizers, extend a warm welcome to all the esteemed dignitaries on the dais, all the invited guests, and all the ladies and gentlemen who have joined for this special occasion. To set the tone for the occasion, may I invite on stage Dr. Ravi Shankar Singh, Mr. Ravi Shankar Singh to deliver the welcome address.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is my great honor and pleasure to welcome you all to the valedictory ceremony of the East Zone Inter-University Women's Football Tournament 2024, hosted here at the National Sports University, Imphal, Manipur. Over the past few days, we have witnessed remarkable sportsmanship, determination, and unyielding spirit of our athletes who have brought such pride and energy to this tournament. Today, we are privileged to have esteemed guests gracing this occasion. I extend a warm welcome to our chief guest, Sri Namoizam Khedavarta Singh, Secretary of Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, whose presence today is a testament to the support and encouragement that the youth of Manipur receive in the realm of sports. We are also deeply honored to have with us the president of today's function, Professor Usha S. Nair ma'am, our Vice Chancellor officiating of National Sports University, whose guidance and leadership have been instrumental in making this event a success. Our guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh Sir, Registrar of National Sports University, has been a pivotal figure in organizing this tournament, and we are grateful for his invaluable contributions. We are also thrilled to welcome our special guest, Miss L. Anita Chanu, a Dhyan Chand awardee and a renowned figure in weightlifting. We have Miss Ngangom Bala Devi, captain of the Indian national women's football team. Dr. Shyam Sundarat, Dean of Students' Welfare at National Sports University. And we also have Professor Sambur Prasad, AIU Observer. And lastly, we have Thangzam Ibotombi Singh, Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association, AMFA. Each one of these distinguished personalities brings inspiration and pride to our gathering today. To all our participants, coaches, and organizing team, I extend my heartfelt congratulations and gratitude for your efforts and commitment throughout this tournament. Let us celebrate the achievement of our players and reflect on the hard work that has brought us to this wonderful conclusion. Once again, welcome to each and every one of you. Let us proceed with today's ceremony filled with joy, pride, and the spirit of sportsmanship. Thank you.
Thank you, Mr. Ravi Shankar. To proceed further, may I invite the esteemed dignitaries on dais to kindly proceed for introduction with the players on the field. We have the players from the Adamas University and the Ellen Mitila University. extend my thanks to all the esteemed dignitaries and request them to kindly take their seat on the dais. Thank you.
That's a strategy. Then a delayed tactic, so time मिलेगा. You get time.
나도 이해 못 해봐. 니들 뭐 미해 니 건. 아니다. 저 못하나 있나 보고 있어. 못하 있나 보고 있어. 내가 되는 거. 근데 그거 넣고 누가?
Tadi mana dari ni? Ya, sama lagi. Kemarin tu okey tahu ni. Dia orang tu je. Dia kata, cuma mama yang tu sama je. Orang tu itu sudah.
你不得来，你。
Kapi tu. Bade gitu. Pula kalau yang ni ya. Ya, memang.
하려고 가.
Method bunye program committee. Masa committee.
Ladies and gentlemen, that was Adamas University, West Bengal and Ellen Mitila University, Bihar. A huge round of cheers for both the teams. What a spectacular display of talent and sports spirit by both the teams. As we gather here today to celebrate the spirit of competition and sportsmanship, it is my distinct pleasure to introduce a key figure who has been instrumental in ensuring the integrity and success of this tournament. Please join me in welcoming the AIU observer, Professor Sambhu Prasad sir, with his extensive experience and commitment to upholding the highest standards in the field. Dr. Prasad has played a vital role in overseeing all our events. I invite sir to kindly share his remarks and insights regarding the tournament.
A very good afternoon to one and all. The dignitaries on the dais, we have chief guest, Mr. Namojam Kheda Varta Singh, who is Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of India. We have President, Professor Usha Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating, National Sports University, Imphal. Guest of honor, Dr. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, Manipur. Then on the dais we have special guest, Miss Anita Chanu, who is Dhyanchan Awadi in weightlifting, and at present she is working as Assistant Director, Youth Affairs and Sport, Manipur. Miss Nangam Baladevi, who is the captain of Indian National University, National Sports National Women Football Team. We have Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Student Welfare, National Sports University. We have as a special guest Thangjam Aibo Tomi Singh, who is Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association. So, first of all, I would like to congratulate National Sports University, Imphal, for hosting this event and accepting the challenges. And in spite of all the challenges, the championship was a grand successful one. In all total, the team participated was 23 and the format was knockout come league. So first the team has played knockout matches, and after playing, the best 4 team has been selected and they were played league matches. So in league there was 6 matches. The team were Adamas, Bardhaman University, Ellen Mithila and Vidyasagar University. And today we have witnessed the match between Ellen Mithila and Adamas University. It was a wonderful match and we have seen, and they are going to participate in All India Zonal Inter-University competitions. All total from different 4 zones, the 16 team will be selected and they will participate in All India Inter-University, which is going to be held in GNA University, Punjab. I would add here few things which I observed during this tournament from beginning from 1st November to 5th November. From reception to the departure. First, the reception team, they have did their job very wonderful. The accommodations were also good. And the matches played in 4 grounds. All the grounds were above standard level. Then I will put on record the technical officials which were appointed from Manipur Football Federations. They did an excellent job without any issues. The matches goes well. No issues arises till now. And I'll put on record the host university, especially Professor Usha Madam, who has accepted these challenges and hosting 2 zonal inter-university competition, that is football, and as well from tomorrow onwards the badminton is going to start. So it's a grand challenge that after completing one, again you have taken another challenge. So I really congratulate from my core of my heart that you have accepted these things. Now the organizing secretary, Dr. Amitra Sen, and joint organizing secretary, Dr. Premanand, who has with his all the team, alone this tournament cannot be organized. So with the whole team, I congratulate. They worked together day and night and made this event a grand successful one. So I put on record that without any issues, no complaint has been received yet. All the matches went well and we have witnessed the last matches of the tournament. So with this, I thank you one and all.
Thank you so much, sir, for your encouraging and inspiring words. As we reflect on the exciting moments, the fierce competition that we just witnessed, and the camaraderie that defined this event, it is now time to delve deeper into the highlights and outcomes of the tournament. To provide us with a brief report, may I have the privilege of inviting the extramural director, who is also the organizing secretary of this tournament, to propose the report of the tournament. May I invite on stage Dr. N. Amitra Sen Singh, extramural director, National Sports University.
Thank you, Dr. Devla. Good evening to everyone. Esteemed chief guests, guests of honor, special guests, officials, athletes, and supporting staff. It is my privilege to present the closing report for the East Zone Inter-University Football Women Tournament 24-25. We have, from the past 4 days, we have seen the fabulous games among the different universities. We have 23 teams represent and compete among the teams. National Sports University Manipur. So the tournament has been celebrating skills, sports person, and bright future for the women university football in India. So our journey began with a spirit opening ceremony at Khuman Lampak main stadium, led by our officiating Vice Chancellor, Professor Usha S. Nair, and honored by sports icons such as Olympian N. Kunjarani Devi, and Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur, emphasizing the broad recognition of sports achievement in career opportunity, sparking new hope for our young athletes. The tournament was marked by fierce competitions and inspiring performance. In early matches, Tripura University narrow 1-0 win over MGKP Banarasi, and Syama Prasad Mukherjee University impressive won by 6-0 over Binod Bave University, set a high bar for intensity and talent. Dominant performance from University of Kolkata, National Sports Universities and Adamas University further elevate the competition, with Tripura University 8-0 triumph over Nagaland University, highlighted by Mosumi hat-trick, showcasing exceptional skills. As we move over later round, match grew ever more thrilling. LN Mithila University is over Tripura University in a close game 1-0, while Vidyasagar University intense 1-0 win over Kolkata University, reflected by the competitive spirit of this tournament. The final stage saw Vidyasagar University advance with a 5-1 victory over Mithila University, and Adamas University score 4-1 win over Bardhaman University. Thanks to standout performance by the players in close, this tournament has not only highlighted athletic talents but has fostered unity and resilience among our young women athletes. I extend my heartfelt thanks to the team, coaches, officials, and manager whose supports made this event possible. Congratulations to all players and team. May this tournament serve as stepping stone, a great achievement. Thank you. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Amit Sen Singh, for providing a comprehensive report highlighting the outcomes of the tournament. Now, it is my privilege to invite the president of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair, Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University, to kindly deliver the presidential address.
Namaskar, Kurumjari, good evening to each one of you. Most respected chief guest of the day, Shri Namujam Kheda Varta Singh, Secretary Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur. A guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University. A special guest, Ms. S. L. Anita Chanu ma'am, Dhyanchand Awardee, weightlifting, and an assistant director at the YAS Manipur. Ms. Nangbam Baladevi, captain of the Indian football team. Dr. Shyam Sundara, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University. Professor Shambhu Prasad, AIU Observer. Tangjam Ibontombi Singh, Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association. All invited guests, the media, print media, electronic media, all the coaches, managers, officials, and my dear students, and all the participants. Indeed, it's a matter of pride for the National Sports University to host such a big event. And this is the first time that we are hosting this event, even though there were challenges, but with the support of all the entire organizing committee did a wonderful job, and we have proved that today here. But at this moment, I'd like to make a special mention of the Adamas University number 7. 7 number, if there is a person, I request in red number 7 to come up, please. जो रेड में है नंबर 7 इधर आ जाइए. जो रेड एडमस में नंबर 7 सामने आ जाइए. और सब देखिए. See, we have an Indian player in this team. A big hand for this. So none of you would have observed. It's a proud moment where for the finals, irrespective of who win or lose, congratulations, and we are indeed indebted that we also have an Indian player who was here for the finals. So congratulations. We also, I was told there's another player who could not get into the senior. It's madam who has actually said us, it's a proud moment. We have the captain of the Indian team and the player. This particular moment is very prestigious for us and a memorable one. With all this female who are here, thank you very much. Thank you. And we wish you that you come up so well. Aap yahan se aage, see that you win the All India too, titles too. And another thing to appreciate was most of the matches, our officials were women, which is very rare, which you would see in any of the places. So all these women officials, most of them were officiating, and again it's a matter of pride. So we are saying in which way that when NSU hosted in Manipur, what is so special about it. So I think in all this case, a big thank you to the entire media team, because you helped us a lot in reaching out. There were a lot of talents from the very beginning till now, and India में talent की कोई कमी नहीं है. आप सिर्फ इनको थोड़ा प्रोत्साहन देना. You need to motivate them. And if you have like madam who is sitting here right now, the captain, आपकी वजह से बहुत सारे बच्चे आगे आ सकते हैं जो आगे भारत खेल सकता है. यही हम चाह रहे हैं. और भी because ये girls का power है. यहाँ we have seen is आप में इतना ज़्यादा talents है. आगे आप कर दिखाएंगे. आप यहाँ से ये you have to take this pledge. यहाँ आपको रुकना नहीं है. आगे बढ़ते रहना है. और आगे आप इंडिया का फ्लैग को आप आगे बढ़ाएंगे. हम यही आपसे उम्मीद रखते हैं. With all this, thank you so much. All the organizing team, each one of you have done a commendable job. Thank you.
Thank you so much, madam, for sharing your valuable insights and inspiring words with all of us present. Your words have not only enlightened us, but it has also motivated each one of us present here for our future. Thank you so much, Madam, for that. Ladies and gentlemen, it is my utmost reverence to now invite on stage the chief guest of today's program, Shri Namoyam Khedavarta Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, to kindly bless the gathering.
What a match. Beautiful match, I should say. Madam has talked about player in number 7, jersey in red color. I should say player wearing jersey number 12 and 18 were also equally good. As I was watching the match, I could see that at least there are some few who might be playing professional football. And that has been reconfirmed by ma'am. And I should say from the way the crosses are being made, the way how they are controlling the ball, how they are taking the ball, I could clearly see there's quality players in the team, I should say. Congratulations to both the team. Respected Madam Usanayar, all the dignitaries on the dais, a very good evening to one and all. First of all, I would like to welcome, I have been told that there are 23 teams representing the East Zone, various universities from the East Zone. I welcome you all. I hope you had a very nice stay in our state. It's a very small state, but having a fantastic weather condition. And I think this is the right time, also November. This is the season of festival in the state with the best weather condition, I should say. I hope everyone has a good stay out here. Out of these 23 teams, I have been told that 4 teams have been qualified to represent the East Zone at all India level. I think one has been told as Mithila from Bihar. Another is, I think, Adamas from West Bengal, and 2 more from, I think, West Bengal. Out of that 4 teams, I have been told that 3 teams are from the West Bengal. Best congratulations to the West Bengal. And you should be feeling very proud because you see that Manipur has been doing very well in women's football. And coming here, down here, and you take away all the sport, I don't think we have nothing more to say. What I feel like. So once again, congratulations to all the 4 teams. I hope you will be doing very well at all Indian national level. And all to the teams who could not win, the 19 teams, I still wish you all that you will do better, you will try to perform better, you will strive to achieve higher in your future endeavors. Thank you all. Wish you all the best.
Thank you so much, sir, for your inspiring and motivating words. And we are truly grateful for your time and effort to be with us today. And then we are truly indebted to you, sir. Thank you once again. Ladies and gentlemen, let's take a moment to recognize all the participating teams. Your hard work, determination, and resilience have brought us thrilling moments and unforgettable moments in this tournament. Please join me in applauding all the teams for their outstanding performances throughout the tournament. A huge round of cheers for all the teams. But nonetheless, there are a few players and teams who have excelled and showed outstanding performance. So ladies and gentlemen, we'll proceed for the prize distribution ceremony now. And for that, may I request all the dignitaries on dais to kindly proceed for the prize distribution ceremony on the field. Hello, hello. Ladies and gentlemen, we'll first start by honoring those individuals who ensured that the fair play is there and also who made sure that the integrity of the game is maintained. So we'd like to first honor the officials of the tournament who played a huge role in this tournament. The first, we would like to honor match commissioners. We have Mr. Sanabam James Kumar Singh. And may I request Honorable Chief Guest Sir to kindly honor our officials. May I invite Mr. Sanabam James Kumar Singh. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you for making it possible for us. Next up, we have Mr. L. Nongdren Khomba. Next, I request Mr. Joni Chote. Next, Mr. H. Amarjit Maitai. I request our chief guest to kindly honor Mr. Amarjit Maitai. We'll also honor the referee assessor, Mr. Fairoijam Lanthoiba. Next, Mr. Ajit Kumar Maitai Lairen Lakpam. Mr. Tarun Kumar. I request Mr. Tarun Kumar to kindly step forward. A huge round of applause. Next, Mr. L. Ropain. I thank our chief guest for doing the honors. Next, may I invite the president of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair Madam, to kindly felicitate the referees of this tournament, Rohini Chanu Maibam. Next, we have Devla Devi Ilangbam. Next, we have Ningni Ring Anal. Next, Vidyabati Yumnam. A huge round of applause for Vidyabati Yumnam. Next, Chingakam Bimol Baladevi. Next, Sushila Ayekpam Chanu. Thank you, madam. Next, may I invite a guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University, to kindly do the honors to our next referee assessor, Sarungbam Nirmala Devi. Ms. Sarungbam Nirmala Devi. Next we have Ms. R.D. Ringnidam. Next we have Ms. Sushila Ayekpam Chanu. Next we have Ms. Golmai Abem Kabuini. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen. Next, Malem Nganba Yumnam. Next we have Mr. Ranjoy T.H. Krishnakanta Senjam. A huge round of applause. Thank you. I thank our guest of honor for doing the honors. Next, may I invite Ms. L. Anita Chanu, Dhyanchand Awardee, Assistant Director Yas, Manipur, to kindly do the honors and felicitate Amarjit Singh Ningombam. Amarjit Singh Ningombam. Then do we have Mr. Raja Maitai Laishom. Then S. Tombi Singh. Dangmei Jinpo. A huge round of applause for Dangmei Jinpo. Next, Wahengbam Johnson. Next, A. Dinku Singh. I thank Madam L. Anita Chanu. A huge round of applause for Madam. We have one more official to honor. Last but not the least, C.H. Kalyani Chanu, who is the referee assessor, the first FIFA referee from the Northeast. So ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Madam Kalyani. And for that, may I invite Ms. Ngangom Bala Devi to please do the honors. A huge round of applause. As we proceed to the next segment, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you all have been waiting for. We'll first honor the best goalkeeper of the tournament. Any guesses? Ladies and gentlemen, a huge round of applause for Ms. Khushi Kumari, jersey number 1, LN Mithila University. And to do the honors, may I invite Mr. Thangjam Ibotombi Singh, Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association. A huge round of applause for Ms. Khushi, the best goalkeeper of the tournament from LN Mithila University. Congratulations to you, Ms. Khushi. Next, we have the trophy for the best player. Any guesses, ladies and gentlemen? I beg your pardon. We'll first go ahead with the top scorer. The top scorer of the tournament. We have Miss Mosmi Murmu, jersey number 18, Adamas University. And to do the honor, may I invite Madam L. Anita Devi, Dhyanchan Awardee. Madam L. Anita Devi, Dhyanchan Awardee, Assistant Director, Youth Affairs and Sports, Manipur. Thank you, Madam. Congratulations to Ms. Mosmi. Moving ahead, we have the best player of the tournament. Yes, Ms. Rimpar Haldar, jersey number 7, Adamas University. And to do the honor, may I invite Madam Ngangom Baladevi, captain of the Indian National Women's Football Team. I would also like to make an announcement that Madam Bala has etched her name in the Indian football history by being the first Indian woman to score 50 international goals. So it's a huge matter of pride for us to have Madam with us. And recently, in the month of October, Madam scored her 51st international goal. Congratulations to Rinpar. Moving ahead, the fourth place, that is the third runner-up. The third runner-up team is Burdwan University, West Bengal. So, to do the honors, may I invite on stage Dr. Shyam Sundar Rath, Dean Students Welfare, National Sports University. A huge congratulations to Burdwan University, West Bengal, third runner-up. Next, it's time for the second runner-up. That is the third place in the tournament. The third place is bagged by Ellen Mithila University. A huge round of applause for Ellen Mithila University. And to do the honors, present the medals and the trophy, may I invite Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, Registrar, National Sports University. Congratulations to the team of Ellen Mithila University. applause for all our players for their hard work and dedication. I request sir to kindly stay back for presentation of the trophy to the team. So may I invite the entire team of Ellen Mithila University for the trophy. I request the coach and the manager to also join. Ladies and gentlemen, once again, let's hear it for the third place winner, Ellen Mithila University. Congratulations to the entire team for your hard work, dedication and the resilience. Thank you. Now, the second place winner, the first runner-up, we have the Vidyasagar University. Do we have any representative from the Vidyasagar? Okay. So a huge round of applause nonetheless for Vidyasagar University, the second place winners. Now the moment that we all have been eagerly waiting for. The first place, the winner of the East Zone Inter-University Football Women Tournament 2004-2005, organized by the National Sports University Manipur under the aegis of the Indian Association of Indian University. Ladies and gentlemen, please a huge round of applause and cheers for the Adamas University, West Bengal. And to present the medals, may I invite the chief guest of today's program, Shri Namoyam Kedavarta Singh. Also, may I invite the president of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair, Madam, to kindly felicitate the winners of this tournament. A huge round of applause, ladies and gentlemen, for these girls who have showcased outstanding performance in the ground. Ladies and gentlemen, can we have the trophy for the Adamas University, West Bengal? I request the chief guest and the president to please present the trophy to the winners of the East Zone Inter-University Football Tournament, women. Can we have the coach and the managers as well? A huge congratulations and huge cheers for the winning team, ladies and gentlemen. The Adamas University, West Bengal. Respected chief guest and the president to please present the trophy to the winning team. I invite the manager and the coach of the team for the ceremony. Congratulations to the team. I request all the dignitaries to kindly proceed for a photo session with the winning team. Guests of honor and all the special guests for the ceremony. I request our esteemed dignitaries to kindly take their seats on the dais. As we conclude the prize distribution, let us remember that this tournament is not just about winning or losing. It is about building friendships, fostering teamwork, and promoting the spirit of sports. We hope that this experience has inspired you all to continue pursuing your passion for football and to advocate for women's sport in our country. I'm sure that the friendships that forged and the lessons learned will last far beyond the final whistle. Now, may I request the chief guest of today's program, Shri Namoyam Kheda Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs and Sports, Government of Manipur, to please declare the tournament closed. Now, may I invite the president of today's program, Professor Usha S. Nair, Madam, the Vice Chancellor officiating National Sports University, to please declare the tournament closed.
I declare the East Zone Inter-University Football Women 2024-25 tournament closed.
Thank you, Madam. Now, we'll proceed to another significant segment of the ceremony, beating the retreat ceremony. For that, beating the retreat ceremony is a cherished tradition that symbolizes the end of a significant event. It is a moment for reflection and appreciation for the values that sports instill in us: teamwork, discipline, and respect. As we transition from the thrill of the competition to this ceremonial occasion, let us take a moment to acknowledge the journey we have shared over the past few days. As we conclude, I request the extramural director and the organizing secretary of the tournament to kindly proceed for the ceremony. I request the extramural director, Dr. N. Amitra Sen Singh, to kindly proceed for the ceremony. As we conclude this beautiful ceremony, let us carry forward the lessons learned from this tournament, the importance of teamwork, resilience, and respect for one another. May we continue to support and uplift each other in our future endeavors, both on and off the field. Ladies and gentlemen, as we come to the conclusion of this wonderful event, it is important to take a moment to express our gratitude to all those who have contributed in making this tournament a grand success. Please join me in welcoming Dr. S. Premanand Singh, the Joint Organizing Secretary, to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you very much, Dr. Devla. Once again, a very good evening to one and all. Honorable guests, respected dignitaries, esteemed participants, coaches, officials, and dear friends. As we come to the conclusion of the East Zone Inter-University Football Women Tournament for the year 2024-25, it is my great privilege to extend a heartfelt vote of thanks on behalf of the organizing committee. First and foremost, I express our deepest gratitude to our chief guest, Sri N. Kedavarta Singh, Secretary, Youth Affairs Sports, Government of Manipur, for gracing these occasions with your inspiring presence. Your words of encouragement have undoubtedly motivated our young athletes to strive for the excellence. Sir, we are honored to have had you with us today. I would also like to extend our sincere appreciation to our President, respected Professor Usha S. Nair, officiating Vice Chancellor of National Sports University, whose support and encouragement for women's sports have played a crucial role in empowering athletes and promoting gender equality in sports. Madam, your commitment to the cause has been valued and invaluable, Madam. Next, I express my sincere gratitude to our today's guest of honor, Dr. L. Dibamani Singh, the Registrar of National Sports University, for your valuable guidance, pillars of support, and motivations in making this event a successful one. Thank you so much, sir, for your kind support. I would also like to pay my sincere thanks and gratitude to all the special guests on the dais, namely L. Anita Chanu, Danchan Awardee, weightlifting, Deputy Director, Youth Affairs Sports, Government of Manipur, and Bala Devi, the present captain of Indian National Women Football Team, Dr. Sam Sundarat, Dean of Student Welfare, National Sports University, Professor Sambhu Prasad, Observer from Association of Indian University, and also the Dean of Faculty of Physical Education and Sports Science. Thangzam Ibotombi Singh, Technical Director, All Manipur Football Association, for being an inspiration of all the sports lovers and motivating factors for all the entire sports person in the state and beyond. Thank you so much for being with us today, to all the special invitees. Our heartfelt congratulations to all the medal winners, and special thanks to all the university that participated in this tournament. The passion, determination, and sportsmanship shown by each team were remarkable. You have set an inspiring example for women's football and demonstrated the true spirit of the game. We applaud each and every players for their hard work and dedications. A special acknowledgement is due to the referee, the officials, the match officials and volunteers who ensured that each match was conducted fairly and smoothly. Your professionalism and dedication were key to the success of this tournament. We are immensely grateful to our sponsors and partners whose generous support made this event possible. Your belief in promoting women's football has made a significant impact, and we are truly value your contribution. To the organizing committee, conveners, students, all the supporting staff, all the media persons, and medical team, especially all the doctors, for their countless hours and you're dedicated to making this tournament a successful one. Your tireless effort behind the scenes ensured that everything ran seamlessly. As we conclude this memorable event, let us carry forward the spirit of sportsmanship, unity, and empowerment. May this tournament be a stepping stone for the continued growth of National Sports University and also for the women's football in India. Thank you, and we look forward to more such inspiring events in the future. Jai Hind.
Thank you, Dr. Premanan. With this, we come to the end of a wonderful and an exciting journey filled with football. Ladies and gentlemen, I request everyone to kindly stand for the national anthem.
जनगणमन अधिनायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड उत्कल गंगा विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंगा उच्चल जलधि तरंगा तव शुभ नामे जागे तव शुभ आशीष मांगे गाहे तव जय गाथा जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता जय हे जय हे जय हे जय 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 हे
Thank you all for being part of this memorable event. Safe travel home, and we look forward to meeting you all again next year for yet another exciting tournament. Thank you one and all.
NSU team, well done. We are proud of you. You can, I think, bring event over here the next year because of the dedicated, our students and everyone. It's commendable. Hats off to you. Great job. Well done.